Hi, everybody. Hello and welcome to history class. Mrs. Love is not here. Obviously, I am at PSSA testing. So if you're watching this video, it is Tuesday, April 24th. It is quiz day. I'm going to go over a couple of things with you before you take the quiz. So I do want you to watch this whole video. It will only take a couple of minutes. In your online school, there is a study guide with questions there, which you can use to help you complete the quiz. You can also use any of your class notes you have or any of the class slides that are loaded into the lessons in the online school. So if you need to pause this to go get the materials together that you need, you can pause it and come back. And we'll move on. Okay, so here's our objective for today. Our objective is to complete the Unit 11 quiz today. Even though we're not having class, this is your class time. But if you have not completed any of the lessons from lesson 1 through 6, I do not want you to take the quiz yet. This is a mistake too. I'm so sorry. It should say lesson 1 through 6. So if you still have catch-up work to do, I would like you to do that first because I want you to cover all the lessons before you take the quiz. So if you are ready to take the quiz, you can continue watching this video. If you are not yet ready to take the quiz, you can stop this video, go back and work on your missing lessons. Once you get those completed, then rewatch this video so you know what to do. Okay, here's where you're going to find the quiz. We should all know how to do this by now, but you're going to go to your history class content. You're going to go to Unit 11 in the contents, and then down here today is April 24th, and then your quiz will be there for you. So after you finish the quiz, remember, if you score lower than 80% on your quiz or test, you can take a second attempt, and you should take a second attempt. But before you do that, please go back and review your notes some more, because if you didn't do well the first time, if you just take it again without reviewing, you're probably not going to do any better. So do some review before you take the second attempt. This says you have till Sunday to do this. It probably will be longer, but I would do it soon because tomorrow we are going to move on with the next lesson in Unit 11. So your homework after you do the quiz will be to read chapter 49 in your book. And then tomorrow you will look for your class announcement, but I'm telling you now that your next lesson will be loaded into Edpuzzle for you. So you can be looking for that tomorrow. So if you have finished all of your lessons and you have finished the quiz and you did better than 80%, fantastic job. Congratulations. You can enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you all back here tomorrow on the recording. Bye.